goodness, what is up guys? Yes, I'm back with another video. And today I'm going to Kintampo Waterfalls. It's a 3-day trip with sight and trips. It's 5 early in the morning. Yeah, it's kind of dark. I hope you guys can see me, but yes.
Hey, your wife come just 1 month.
Share.
You don't
Let's J Belly here. Yeah, so guys, I'll introduce you to some of the crew. Yeah, so guys, we just did a stop for a quick break at Lindador.
I'm an adult social worker, and fun fact, I like tea.
Top 3.
Hey, why you got tea?
Check
His name is Richard. The ladies call him Godot.
This one.
It sounds like they open the church worship ceremony. We then get some special people for the church. That'll be the major. Lift your hands and sing.
Yeah, so guys, we just got to Kintampo Waterfalls. We've been sitting in the car, in the bus, like 7 to 8 hours, just in the bus. And we just got to Kintampo Waterfalls, and it's late, but we have 1 hour to go to the waterfalls. So I'll make this very quick and enjoy the view.
Most welcome to Kintampo Waterfalls.
Thank you.
My name is Justice Water, and I'm one of the side guys here. So when tourists are in, we do welcome you, give you the do's and the don'ts of the site, as well as a short brief of the waterfalls. Please, you are welcome once more. And the falls are in 3 stages here, but because of our time, we'll be going straight to the main waterfalls, because that's where swimming and bathing is allowed. But the main source of the river is 10 kilometers away from here. And before we go to, we have washrooms around, so if any of you would like to free yourself, you can go in and use our washroom. And also, the source of the water is 10 kilometers away from here. The main source of the river is 10 kilometers away from here, from a village called Pumpum. And at the source is a spring water. The falls never dries out, it flows all year round. And it has been in existence for more than 300 years. It was discovered in the 18th century and established as a tourist site in 1992. And after our tour, we have a souvenir shop outside. So you guys can also visit the souvenir shop and look at the beautiful artifacts we have, especially this coconut bag. And I think most of you will love it. We all sell those things inside there. And the third stage, as I said, is where swimming and bathing is allowed. We have changing rooms down there. So when you go and you want to go inside the water, you can go in and change yourself. But make sure you don't leave your things inside the changing rooms. And going into the water, the rocks are very slippery. So you have to take care so that you not slip on the floor. Okay, so without not waste much time, I think we can go, or if you still want us to wait for the red before.
Good morning guys. Yeah, I'm awake right now, and we are going to the waterfalls this morning, because last night we didn't get enough time, to enjoy the place. So we're going up this morning. We're going there this morning to enjoy, and swim a lot. So some of the crew are ahead, and that's my guy coming from the back. So we are just walking to the waterfalls, and we are staying at Falls Stop. I think that's the place, Falls Hotel. So it's just like a 10 minutes walk from the waterfalls. That's where we're staying.
Welcome back, motherfuckers. Smoking cigarettes.
Money. Feel good, honey. Kingston, Reno.
Yo, me up in warrior.
guys, to be honest, I feel like this one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Ghana. Kintampo is the most beautiful waterfalls in Ghana. So you guys come to Kintampo waterfalls. It's insane, guys. It's insane. Yeah guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and this is me signing off. We are going to have breakfast, then from here we are going straight to Larabanga and the north. Then after we'll go to Mole National Park, which I've already done it, but I'll still do a new video because things have changed. And the last time I went was 3 years or 4 years ago. Can't remember the exact year, but it's been a long time since I went there, and it's gonna be good going back. I'm out of bed right now. Those stairs are crazy. Let me just let you enjoy the view, the drone shots I got from this place.